Hi guys and welcome back to the... What? Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So today I will be doing a eyeliner tutorial. As you can see, I already have done one eye. Don't mind this spot right here, I wet my hair. So if you see some wet parts, it's normal. Curly hair girls can relate. So yeah, and excuse me for this hairstyle. This is the hairstyle when my hair needs to be washed. So yeah, today is wash day. Let me know if you want me to do a curly hairstyle video or something like that. And yeah, by the way, I did my makeup as usual. Concealer, I don't use foundation anymore. I don't know why, it's just too cakey. Concealer, mascara, eyebrows, contour, highlight, and a MAC lipstick. Lip liner. So to do this tutorial, I think I will zoom in when I will edit this video. And yeah, I got my nails done. It's been a long time. So I use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I got this sent by PR, I think, but there are a lot of eyeliners out there that are good. You also have the tattoo liner by, was it Anastasia Beverly Hills? I don't remember. I will insert it somewhere, like the tattoo liner. I got my hands on a little sample of it, and yeah. I don't know what I was saying. So I will try, and this is waterproof. I always use waterproof eyeliner because I think that it's better. I always use waterproof eye products if it's eyeliner or mascara. So I'm gonna take my mirror to do that. Okay, so now I see myself in the mirror like so. So basically my technique is I don't know if the technique is out there or something like that, but it's just the way I like to do my eyes. So basically it's something you can like shake like that and just take it out, and it looks basically like so. And first of all, make sure you have a base on your eyes. And what I do is you have your waterline and you just follow your waterline. You continue your waterline basically like so. So this is the tip, the tail, or however you want to call it. This is how I do it. Like, it's really hard to have it symmetrically, but this is my best eye. This is why I'm doing this in front of the camera. This is my bad eye, so I'm not doing this. So then I just go in and just fill in. It's better to do it less because then it's easier to fill up. If you have too much, then you have to take a Q-tip and just take it away. So this is an everyday makeup, so I'm not going to go too crazy on that. And when you're there, you can connect both of them. And fill in the black. So now they're not really symmetrical, so I'm gonna arrange that. So the tip is a little bit more thick than on this side, so there you go. After that, it's basically just trying to get like the same look. You see, I messed up. It's not a problem, especially if it's waterproof. So I'm gonna take a Q-tip and show you how I do that when I mess up. So take a Q-tip and just wipe it off. And you see it goes, it's simple and not complicated. So I'm gonna do this. So now they kind of look similar, I would guess, but you can't have similar eye makeup anyways. There will always be different. Like, this looks better now. I will have the feeling there will always be a difference about the tail. So that's it. Now I'm gonna take mascara. Basically, this is how I do my eyeliner. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really like it. It's part of a kind of daily routine. I love wearing eyeliner sometimes. When I was younger, I used to wear eyeliner every day. It was part of my staple makeup. Do we say that? So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, wherever you live. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. I love to interact with you guys. I would love to interact with you guys, so just interact with me so I can interact with you. It will be fun. Tell me what videos you want me to do. Follow me on my social media, Instagram as well. I'm very active there. I'm asking you guys a lot of questions and opinions about my videos and what I should film, and it's also a nice platform to keep you updated about what I do. And follow me also on Twitter. I'm on Twitter as well, there, but less active. So if you have those social media platforms, make sure to consider subscribing. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!